Hi, my country viewers. Yeah, Good morning to all. So today's video, today I'm going to take you all to the newly launched Forsage Trons. This is called Forsage Gold. Okay, it was launched only yesterday, October 13 night India time. Okay, so we it is a newly launched program. Okay, so let me explain you how to join and what are the advantages to join in Forsage Gold. Okay, first of all, what we need is a Tron wallet. This Forsage Gold is going to be run on Tron only. Okay, so what we need is the Tron wallet. Okay, so we go to Play Store, type Tron wallet. Okay, so this is the Tron wallet, which colon Bitcoin blockchain wallet. It will be looking like this. Okay, I have already installed it. So I'm going to open you and show. Okay, click open. Okay, okay, I have saved the pin. Fine. Okay, fine. Okay, this is my main account. Fine. Okay, guys, now you see that. Okay, sorry, closed. Fine. Okay, now it's open. Okay, okay, now I see you see that this is the main account and I have 378 Trons. Okay, and I'm going to copy this and this is my Tron wallet. Okay, so where do we purchase the Trons? Okay, we have many exchanges, but what I am using is WazirX. Okay, if you have a exchange you can do it, or if you have your friends you can send the money to them to using the Google Pay or any other payment service and get the Trons. Okay, for now WazirX, 1 minute. Okay, here it is. So this is the exchange which I am using, WazirX. Okay, WazirX, you can go search TRX INR. Okay, that is Tron. TRX means Tron. INR is Indian rupees. Okay, Tron exchange for today's rate is 2 rupees and 0.0250. Okay, okay, you can convert it in USD and it should come around. Okay, maybe not sure, but you can convert and check. Okay, so you can go here and you can buy Trons at the price, like how much amount you want to invest. Okay, sorry Justin, sorry, that's a call. Okay, see, total 506.25. Okay, you can increase. Okay, the amount is, it's in Trons, amount 3. Okay, and then you buy it. Okay, guys, so once you buy it, okay, once you receive the Trons, you will get this in the Tron in the exchange. Okay, you can go here and you can select the Trons and you can send the Tron to the address which we copied there. Okay, fine. So if you have any other questions related to this, I will explain it. If you put the comment in the video, I can explain you. Okay, for now I will show you the Tron wallet. Okay, how to join the Tron wallet for say once we receive the Trons inside this wallet. Okay, what happens next? Okay, next is I'm going to click on this browser, enter the URL. Okay, enter the URL. You need to the referral URL of the Forsage Gold. Okay, you can copy it here as I, okay, sorry, this is not the one, sorry, as I have already joined in, I will not be having that. Okay, but this is the, I mean, you know, it's like a link only, Forsage joining link. Okay, uh, so this is, okay, once you put in the link, it will ask you. Now I have joined, so I will not be able to do the registration. Okay, so I will be able to automatically log into my account. Okay, but here if you are joining for the first time, it will ask you to registration and it will ask you to auto register. That option will be there. You need to auto registration, you need to click on that option, auto registration. Once that is done, two stages will be there. One is, it's very easy only. First stage, it will check 200 trons for joining. Okay, 200 trons for joining. Once that is checked, you will get a check mark. Once that is finished, it will continue to go to the next level, that is Forsage Gold. You will see that Forsage Gold